Bonjour. So I'm just going to do a quick bit of vocab revision with you sur la crise des migrants. La crise des migrants is our new opinion question, the migrant crisis. La crise des migrants reste un problème inquiétant en Europe, so the migrant crisis remains a worrying problem in Europe. Un migrant, un réfugié, a migrant, a refugee. Les migrants viennent en Europe pour chercher une vie meilleure. So the migrants are coming to Europe to look for a better life. Quitter, partir, both of the verbs mean to leave. Ils quittent leur pays afin de fuir la guerre. So they're leaving their country in order to flee the war. S'installer, to set up, to settle, to locate yourself somewhere. Ils s'installent ici en Europe. So they're setting themselves up, they're settling in here in Europe. La mer Méditerranée, the Mediterranean Sea. Les migrants tentent de traverser la mer Méditerranée qui est un voyage dangereux. So they're trying to cross the Mediterranean Sea, which is a dangerous journey. Un pays, a country. L'Irlande est un des pays européens qui accueille des migrants. So Ireland is one of the European countries who welcomes migrants. Fuir is the verb to flee. Les migrants fuient les pays comme la Syrie à cause de la guerre et la violence. So the migrants are fleeing countries like Syria because of war and violence. Se réfugier, to take refuge. Ils se réfugient en Europe où on a plus de paix, de stabilité et d'opportunité. So to take refuge, they are taking refuge in Europe where one has more peace, stability and opportunities. L'asile, asylum. Quand les migrants arrivent en Irlande, ils cherchent de l'asile. So when the migrants are arriving in Ireland, they're looking for asylum. La guerre, war. Ils fuient la guerre dans les pays au Moyen-Orient. So they are fleeing the war in countries in the Middle East. La liberté, the freedom. Ils veulent mener des vies avec plus de liberté. So they want to lead lives with more freedom. La persecution. I suppose another term for it would be kind of mistreatment of people, ill treatment. Ils mènent des vies pleines de persécution à cause des dictateurs. So they're leading lives full of persecution because of the dictators. La religion. Il y a souvent des différences de religion entre les migrants et les habitants. There's often religious differences between the migrants and the inhabitants and the locals. Un dictateur, a dictator. Les dictateurs rendent la vie très difficile pour les habitants et c'est pour ça qu'ils décident de venir ici en Europe. So the dictators are making life very difficult for the locals and that's why they're deciding to come to Europe. Traverser, to cross. Ils traversent la mer Méditerranée afin d'arriver en Europe, souvent sans gilet de sauvetage. So the migrants are crossing the Mediterranean Sea in order to arrive in Europe, often without life-saving jackets. Un trajet, a trip. Les migrants font des trajets difficiles et très dangereux afin de fuir leur pays, la guerre. So the migrants are making difficult trips and very dangerous trips in order to flee the war, flee the country. La frontière, the border. Un passeur is a smuggler. La faim is hunger. Avoir faim, to be hungry. Mourir, to die. So ils meurent, they are dying. Make sure you're okay with the present tense of that verb. Étouffé, smothered, suffocated. Un bateau, a boat. Couler, to sink. Se noyer, to drown. Remember that Y changes to an I in the present tense because it's one of those verbs that has a spelling change. So se noyer, to drown. Un bandit, a bandit, a criminal, someone that takes advantage of others. Soutenir, to support. To get the present tense of that is easy because just think of the verb venir, same family of verbs. Solidaire, solidarity. Être solidaire, to be in solidarity, to show solidarity with them. Tenter, to attempt, to try. Une vie meilleure, a better life. Protéger, to protect. Échapper, to escape. La pauvreté, poverty. Accueillir, to welcome. Un camion, a lorry, a truck. Atteindre, even if you just recognized it, to reach. Embarquer, to embark, to board, a boat or a ship. Faire naufrage, to go to shipwreck. Mettre fin à, to put an end to. It's a good expression to have. An étranger is a foreigner. It can also mean a stranger. Se nourrir, to feed themselves. Se loger, to find themselves accommodation. Un dirigeant is a dictator, well, a leader actually, a leader. Avoir peur, to be afraid. Aider, to help. Essayer, to try. Monter, to, I know it means to go up, but it can mean to get onto, to board a vehicle or a boat. Une tente, a tent. Le racisme, racism. La xénophobie, xenophobia, hatred of foreigners. S'intégrer, to integrate, to fit in. Le Moyen-Orient, the Middle East. Okay, so I hope that's okay.